Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Salsudifa Nabila. Today I want to review a journal about the implementation of single picture to teach describing things orally at vocational high school to increase speaking ability. Well, without wasting the time, let me begin. Abstract. This study is to describe the implementation of single picture to teach describing things orally in vocational high school to improve speaking skill. This study uses classroom action research, which has stage of planning, action, observation, and reflection. Data were collected using a speaking performance test for quantitative checklist and observation, field notes, and questionnaire for qualitative. Vocational students must communicate well, such as when describing the product. They also have a high probability of offering products to foreigners, so they must have active English skills. Speaking is a skill for EFL students. Since English is a foreign language in Indonesia, it is a challenge for vocational students to master it. They must have speaking skill with the support of the teacher in the learning process. The right media to improve student speaking skill is a single picture. Lord, research using picture to teach English has been done. When a picture is a good way to create an interesting learning process so that students can understand the material being explained easier because it will make students create ideas. According to Weinstein, in a cognitive in the field of psychology, learning requires a visual aid to facilitate learning. Human brains create ideas from the picture they see. In this study, the author used one picture to describe something orally. Media helps students to create ideas from what they have seen. Therefore, they can describe various things fluently. In addition, students can explain things in detail and clearly. More ideas will be produced, more descriptive sentences. If they need some reference, they can look at the single image they bring in to encourage idea. Method. In this study, the author used qualitative data. Qualitative data obtained by means of observation while qualitative data obtained from the result of the questionnaire. In analyzing the data, the result of observation are interpreted and compared with lesson plans and questionnaires. Finding and discussion. Finding 1. Word cycle. The writer described the field notes, observation, and student speaking scores for the first time cycle. It provides description of class activities with one picture to illustrate things orally. The author elaborates the result of observation in the form of class activities description. 2. Second cycle. The author presents field notes and observation for the second meeting. Author 2. Describe a questionnaire to determine student response to implementation from single picture to describe things thoroughly in vocational high school to improve speaking ability. Second cycle such as class activities, student response, and then student speaking result. Discussion. Single image media is very helpful for vocational high school students to describe something or something product. Picture complete the information so people get all information about situation or something they want to know. In addition, Yolanda believes that picture can help students imagine the abstract to be concrete. Therefore, picture helps students visualize language from abstract concrete. Conclusion. The implementation of single image is good at teaching and describing something orally in vocational high school. So, the English teacher should apply one picture to teach explaining things orally. Single picture can be used to help students get more ideas and make them more active and enthusiastic in describing things orally. In addition, students respond well and are active in learning process. They use single image to speak informally in describing something. In addition, this media can improve students' speaking ability. Alright, I think that's all for review journal. Thank you for attention. Good afternoon everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.